In front of me is TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by launching Photos app. Then click through all the pop-ups and select Photos at the bottom left corner or Library over here. Wherever you decided, when you find all of your photos you wish to get rid of, hold the chosen one and use those type of dots at the top right corners to select multiple. To keep some of them, click on them, and to get rid of the rest, use Delete at the bottom of Photos section or at the top of Library one. Then choose OK and move to Bin. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!